This week we're talking about supplier management, or contracts management. All those things sort of fall into the same bucket. But what we're going to be going over this week is a lot of information about how do you manage those parts of the project that you don't have direct control over. You can't reach out and touch the people that are doing the work necessarily, but you have to manage them with a certain level of trust and responsibility, and financially make sure all the administrative aspects are in place to get their particular components as part of your project ongoing. So it's contracts and supplier related. How do you deal with the folks that are responsible for a big part of your success, but the only mechanism you have is a piece of paper between you and them and whatever personal relationship you have? So that's what we're going to be going over this week. There'll be some additional information about your project that come through, sort of related to what we're talking about with suppliers. And then we're going to look at how do you do a supplier management plan, add that into our project management plan, as well as some sample documents like RFPs and RFQs and assessments and those kinds of things that really help you sort of manage objectively how you deal with multiple suppliers in a technology environment. So same format as last couple weeks. Let's go ahead and get started.